Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the dispenser waterline spring in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Detach the lower grill and use a 7/16" wrench to depress the retaining ring to release the dispenser waterline from the coupler. Cut the tape and you can slide the old spring off of the waterline. Install the new dispenser waterline spring by sliding it over the line and push it up into the freezer door. Position the spring approximately 2 inches from the end of the line, then use tape to secure the spring. Reinsert the end of the waterline into the coupler until fully seated. Realign the grill and snap it into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.